Hello guys, welcome to another video of additional mathematics. In these video sets, we are going to solve questions from your textbook one by one. If you do not want to miss our videos, please do subscribe to our channel right now. Let's start today's question. So let's talk about this. So we know integration e power minus st f of t from 0 to infinity we can call Laplace of f of t, isn't it? So now what I will do, I'll take this integral from 0 to infinity, I'll multiply with e power minus st and I'll write the question as it is, that is cos 60 minus cos 4t over t with respect to dt, right? So next what I can do, I can write this term as Laplace of this term, that is cos 60 minus cos 4t over t, isn't it? Next what I will do, I'll take 1 by t outside, then I'll be left with Laplace of cos 60 minus cos 4t, right? Next what I'll do, I'll take 1 by t, Laplace of 60 can be written as what? S upon s square plus 6 square minus s upon s square plus 4 square, isn't it? See, next what I will do, see 1 by t is there now, 1 by t can be eliminated by substituting from s to infinity with respect to ds. So let's do that. So 1 by t will be replaced with integration from s to infinity, and we have s upon s square plus 6 square is 36 minus s upon s square plus 4 square is 16 with respect to ds. We need to integrate this, but the denominator differentiation s square is 2s, but we have s in the numerator. We need to multiply 2 and divided by 2, and same here we need to multiply with 2 and divided by with 2. So what I will do, I can write it as half into log of s square plus 36 minus half into log of s square plus 16, right? I can take half common, I'll be left with log of s square plus 36 over s square plus 16, isn't it? What are the limits? Limits from s to infinity. I have told you, if you just flip the limits, if after substituting the limits, we'll get the flipped answer. So we'll get 1 by 2 log of, what do we get? We get s square plus 16 over s square plus 36, isn't it? Now I'll come back to that part which was given in the question. See, in the question it was given integration only this much, na? So what we got the answer for this thing, it is integration e power minus st of cos 60 minus cos 4t over t with respect to dt. We got this, for this we got half times log of s square plus 16 over s square plus 36. But the question was this, there is no e power minus st in this, na? So what can we do? We'll substitute, in place of s we'll substitute 0. So e power 0t is 1, na? So we'll get, so the limit was 0 to infinity, na? So we'll get integration from 0 to infinity, e power 0 is 1, so we'll get cos 60 minus cos 4t over t is equal to half log. Here also I should, in place of yes, I need to substitute, what I need to substitute? 0. So I'll get 0 plus 16, that is 16 over, here also I'll substitute 0, that will get 36. So I can send half to that, so log of 16 by 36 whole power 1 by 2, right? So, and also I can write as log, whole power 1 by 2 is root, right? So root 16 is how much? 4 upon, then 36 root is 6. And also we can write 2 2s are 2 3s are log 2 over 3. So just repeat what we have done. So the question was initially this, I just multiply e power minus st because we can write Laplace of f of t, because for this we know how to find Laplace of this, but the limits we know it from s to infinity, but we have 0 to infinity. So we have multiplied e power minus st. So when we multiply e power minus st with respect to dt, it became the Laplace of this question.
Then we started to solving the Laplace of this. We already know how to solve till the end. Then we took back the question. What was initially was this, but we started solving the question when from this, right? I have taken this as a question. For this question, I got this an answer. For this question, I got this an answer. But the question originally was stating only this much. So what we observe, there is no e power minus st. That means in place of s, if we substitute 0, the what was the initial question, it will just convert into that. So just taken it, I substituted in place of s as 0, I solved, and I got here also I substituted 0, here also I substituted 0. So I got log 2 by 3 as an answer. Is that cool? So any type of question basically you can do, if they give 0 to infinity, just look after this limits and multiply with e power minus st. At the last step, in place of s, substitute 0. That's it. There is no more changes in that. Is that cool?
Guys, if you like the way that we teach, check out our full course which contains all these topics from the basic to the level that you are required for your examination. The link is in the description. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and help them as well. And do not forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. All the very best.